I know. I didn't want you to be looking down and get fucking clobbered.
That would be bad.
Yeah, I almost did the first day. We almost got hit by that tree.
It really was. There's nowhere safe to sit over.
I know. Just pull in over here. Oh, okay, true. Yeah, that's true. I gotta switch out. I'm surprised the fucking party didn't finish that 2K. What the fuck?
I'm telling you,
It's gotta be glitched.
I agree. I usually try and never do the distance.
I tried, yeah, let me just. It definitely got it, yeah.
There just wasn't a good place.
Got it by now.
There wasn't a good parking spot where I could reach the bird.
I wanted to save this anyway. It's a cool picture.
Oh yeah.
3.3 and it's fucking.
Yeah, that was definitely 2K.
Wait, how do I get that picture? I gotta get
I leave the party, yeah, just leave the party.
I want that.
And if you just hit the download, you don't even have to screenshot it. That button on the right.
Oh shit.
The button on the right, yeah.
Maybe Vic will be safer on that side. We're taking up even more of the road.
I know, we got exactly. I know. Oh, they're doing something here. Yeah, go get on this side so we don't get hit.
Feels like I'm trying to save you.
Trying to save you.
I already felt sad enough being parked here.
Oh, I know. We just had the same problem.
Look how narrow that road is.
Oh my, yeah, I know. The fucking sidewalk is closed and we're getting beeped at for walking across the road. Like, what the fuck? People are so miserable, dude.
Yeah.
Like the handicap lady.
You would
Oh, yeah.
You would think they'll fucking
I
look
was
out
like,
for you.
go! She hesitated and she fucking stopped in the middle of a green light. Like,
Her light was green.
I know.
Like, why do you think that old lady was stopping?
I know, bro. Like, dude, they just have a fucking malice about them. They don't like us outside.
Still stopping.
I know
This guy's stopping
she
too.
gotta go check if we're okay.
Why are they fucking looking at us like that?
What are these hooligans up to? You doing the party?
No, not the party yet. We'll definitely do the party, but
Alright.
shit.
It also doesn't help that I'm getting like 75 fucking text messages.
Oh yeah.
Because like my friends got some of the other guys go to watch his dog.
Yeah, that's what happens with me and Vic. I'm trying to freaking do gyms. I can see what happens on the top, but every time it kicks sometimes.
I
It's
hate
like,
that.
yeah. These phones are just, I don't know, they're not meant for this much activity.
Yeah, they should at least make it where you can customize those
One of my
things.
brother's kids having like a birthday party today.
Today, damn.
Oh, nice.
My other two sisters and my other brother, they all got kids, so they're all
Damn.
Oh, good.
Busy
What's
day.
up?
Oh, it's supposed to show
Take me out of all the group chats of the family that involve children.
Oh, I know. And you,
That don't have a wife.
yeah, I realized that afterwards. After I created that one group chat, I'm like, how do I get the fuck out of here?
It's snowing tonight?
Tonight maybe. Yeah, but he made a good point. We gotta clear everything right before the snow
Yeah.
and play chances and shit. Hell yeah. I might need to fucking walk across the street right here. Let's see.
For what?
I just get a little more orbs.
Oh, another side.
I gotta get to that Krabby. Yeah, give me 1 second. What are you looking at? My phone's okay, I just gotta fucking restart it. 1 second. Man, they just kicked the shit out of the pools. Okay. We're good. Oh my god, I have a Krabby on this one? Fuck.
Hey, Krabby's the man, bro.
Krabby! Lucky eggs? Yeah. Oh my god, I just have Krabbies on this one. This is not good.
That's it, that's all we need.
I want to see if I can...
141 Starfies. Use these things?
Starfies?
Yeah, I guess I don't use them, bro.
Yeah, you gotta
I've
use
been
them when...
collecting them.
This is our last chance,
Tomorrow
I think.
on Calm Day, that's the thing, I use them on Calm
Yeah,
Day.
there you go. Are you? Okay. If this doesn't work, I can figure something out. Cause I got...
You got enough organs.
I got... Exactly. I got weakness all over here. I got 3 Krabbies lined up.
No, they changed. I just
What happened?
they picked the Krabby and I had the 3 from the Kingler when I had 3.
You gotta hit confirm.
No.
We'll see if we can do it like this. I think I can evolve one of these damn crabs too.
Nah, this is fucked up. I'm not gonna do it. Going back out now?
We can, but let's just see if
One shot.
he one-shotted you. Shit.
No, because the meters. No, we should back out.
We still got 11. Hold on, we're halfway there.
Yeah, we'll try.
He's one shot at my second guy.
Okay, we're out. You're the heavy hitter here now. Let's see.
Better than using the rocket pad.
Exactly. Let's see if I can evolve one of these. Shit. Yeah, people are just miserable. They're looking at us like we're fucking killing their family members or something.
I know. Like, these people don't know what it is to step outside. That's what it is. They go from their house to their car.
And then to their work.
To their work or to another good fucking